Let's practice converting radians in degrees. Now, what is a radian? Let's draw a circle here and focus at this angle here. The radius is here, and this length here, this arc length, we'll call r, are all the same. If that is the case, then theta, the angle, is equals to 1 radian. Radian is simply a unit. And most people prefer degrees, and it's good to memorize that pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. In the same way, multiply by 2 pi radians is equals to 360 degrees. That's pi and 2 pi is 1 full turn. Now, if you want to memorize what 1 radian is, 1 radian, we could change units by remembering that multiplying by 1, the same numerator denominator being pi radians, is equals to 180 degrees. We set this up such that we can cancel units. You're allowed to multiply by 1 in math. Numerator, denominator are equal, so they cancel out. And the radian units cancel. So indeed, 1 radian is exactly 180 degrees divided by pi, which is approximately 57 degrees. Now let's get to the question here. Convert 4 pi radians to degrees. We take 4 pi, and the default unit is radians, so we don't have to write RAD. And we know that pi radians, we'll just write RAD for practice, is equals to 180 degrees. So this radian on the numerator and this radian on the denominator, they cancel, and so do the pi's. So 4 times 180 is equals to 720 degrees. Now let's go backwards. Let's convert 225 degrees to radians. And we want the degrees to cancel out, so we'll write 180 degrees is equals to pi radians. So the degrees cancel out, and now 225 pi over 180 simplifies to be 5 pi over 4 radians. This fraction here is reduced. And remember that pi is simply a number. It's approximately 3.14. Now finally, let's convert pi. Now, there's no unit, so we should assume that this is radians. Now this is a little bit of a... You have to be careful because we know that pi radians is equals to 180 degrees, and this would be the standard answer. However, if the question was convert pi degrees, this would be a totally different question. We're not talking about radians, we're talking about 3.14 degrees, which would be a very small angle. So this is a little bit of a trick question. So pi degrees is the same thing as 180 degrees over pi radians. And as you can see, the degrees cancel out. And now we have pi times pi is pi squared over 180. And now we have radians. So be careful.